Teams in Attio is how you bring people in, group them, and make sure each person lands on the work that's actually theirs. Get this right early and everything downstream gets easier. Ownership, routing, reporting, permissions, they all lean on how your members and teams are set up. So, how to create a team? Navigate to Workspace Settings, Members, and Teams. Navigate to the Teams tab, create the first team, and let's call it Sales, for example. And let's add the new members to this team. I have only 2 members in my IT workspace, so I added them both to this team. And now you can, for example, give access to the deal object for the entire team rather than to a separate person. And they can, for example, this is the sales team, they can operate the deal object on themselves. You can set up different filters on it, for example, for the deal owner in the team or the teams. You can set up different workflows. You can set up different reports, and like a round robin, for example. And this is a really useful feature that you can use to spread the visibility on the teams and give you clarity on what's going on. Do it in that order, and your workspace stays organized as you grow. Add a person, drop them in a team, and they're set up in seconds. In the next video, we connect Claude to the Attio MCP, so you can drive your whole workspace from an AI assistant. We're Craftt, and we help teams turn Attio into something they actually use. Link in the description to book a free audit.